Oh, hey, didn't see you there. Just drinking a little water. My bad. What's going on, you wonderful people? My name is Brandon. Welcome back to Crayton Tv. Woo! So, today's quick video, we're going to just do a real quick silent video. You know, you guys probably will know. Does the PS4 KontrolFreeks thumbsticks work with the PlayStation 5? So, if you're new here and you like this type of videos, make sure you subscribe and let's get to it. Woo! So, we're back. We got the KontrolFreeks. We got the FPS Dominators. Are these FPS Dominators? I think so. I don't know. Then we got the FPS Nightfall Battle Royale thumbsticks, and we're gonna see if they work excellent with the PS5 thumbsticks. So we'll start off first with the FPS Dominator. Is it? I don't know. I think so. But and these. Yeah, so if you want to play with KontrolFreeks using, work perfectly fine. They slide right on easy. Probably because the thumbsticks are so smaller than they are on the Astro. I know a lot of you guys have been struggling to get them on, say they don't work with the Astro, but they do work with the Astro C40. I've made tons of videos on that. So if you haven't seen those, go watch those videos on my channel. But yeah, they do work. This is I can show you. Look, they slide on easily, pop on easily, and the way you take it off, just pull straight off. Bam. You know what I'm saying? Now we're gonna try the Nightfall. Do those work? Perfect. You know, bam. You don't get your accuracy, especially when you want to play games. Bam. You don't get that extra thumb. Support. Basically, it just gives you better accuracy for your thumb, so you don't have to press it so far down. It raises your thumb up off the controller. You can see right there. Bam. They come off. And they go on easily. They don't not gonna come off or anything, and then you want to take them off, just bam, lift them right up. So with those working, they do work. The PS4 thumbsticks do work with the PlayStation 5 controller if you haven't tried it already. But yes, if you want to use your KontrolFreeks, they do work. So you have to get the PS4 PS4 thumbsticks from KontrolFreeks. Don't get the Xbox, because Xbox thumbsticks are different than the PlayStations. Same for if you wanted to play with KontrolFreeks using your Astro C40, make sure you get the PS4 thumbsticks because they work. But on the thumbsticks comparison, as I just posted a video, you can go check that out right here. I did the controller comparison between the the PlayStation 5 controller and the Astro C40. So you can go check out that video if you haven't already. Yeah, but the thumbsticks between these two controllers is that the KontrolFreeks fit on the Astros. The thumbsticks on here are just a little thicker, so it just takes some time to get them on, but they do go on there. But on the PlayStation, I'll put on both right here. As you can see on the PlayStation, this is the Batman right there. So both thumbsticks do work if you want to play with the KontrolFreeks. I'm not being sponsored to say none of this, but if you have the KontrolFreeks for your PlayStation 4, just swap them over to your PlayStation 5 if you got one. Me, I still ain't got one yet, so hopefully by Christmas time or whenever they do another release date, I can be able to get some, or I'll just wait for Sony's black one to come out. So be patient. You will get your PlayStation 5. Don't worry. There's still more coming out. That's what they wanted to see, drive up the sales and everything else. So you don't have to pay over retail for a PlayStation, for reals, or Xbox if you play Xbox. But that being said, yes, KontrolFreeks from the PlayStation 4 do work with the PS5 controller. So if you haven't got you some, go ahead and get you some. Other than that, I hope you did enjoy this video. December, it's time to be the holiday season. So let's get it. More videos is coming out. Leave a comment down in the comment section what other type of videos you would like to see. Hopefully I can find the PlayStation 5 for retail. You feel me? Retail price. Hopefully I can find one soon so I can bring out more videos. But that being said, follow me on my Twitch. Be right here. Also follow me on all my social medias. Probably already on the screen, or links down in the description. So follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. Let's get it. We're going on road to 1,300 subscribers. We just hit 50 followers on Twitch. Now let's get my Instagram followers up to like 10,000 so I get the swipe up feature. You feel me? And also follow me on Twitter. So if you ever got any questions and if I don't respond to you on YouTube, hit me up on all my other social medias. But that being said, I hope you did enjoy this video. It's your boy Brandon coming to you from Crayton TV. KontrolFreeks, they fit on the PlayStation 5. They fit on Astro C40. Check out the last video that I listed up there. And be safe, everybody. Stay safe. God bless. And I'll catch you guys next time. Peace. You see my eyes? You see my eyes? I'm crazy.